Hi, today we'll be working on your IEP goals 3 and 4. And today is September the 4th, 2020. It's Friday. And just a quick reminder that Monday we don't have school. So goal 3. Mario, we're going to do the same thing we did last week. You're going to try to find the perimeter and the area using the formula. So let's start. Remember the perimeter. It's you add all the sides. And when two sides are the same, it's the same number. So here will be 7 all around. Here, 9, 9, and 3, 3. So remember, it's going to be 9 plus 3 plus 9 plus 3. And you add them. Okay, now the second one is you're going to be adding using double digits for goal number 4. So here is the worksheet. Number 1, 93 plus 11. 9 plus 1 is 4. 9 plus 1 is 10. So your answer is 104. So when you're finished, Mario, go ahead and take a picture and send it to me so I can upload it for you in Teams.